Ever found yourself fumbling for cash or cards, especially when you're in a rush? Well, today, we're diving into a solution that could revolutionize your everyday transactions: Grabpay. Grabpay is more than just an e-wallet. It's a digital lifestyle platform that simplifies your life. Whether you're ordering food, hailing a ride, or shopping online, Grabpay has you covered. Setting up your Grabpay account. Download the Grab app. The first step is to download the Grab app from your app store. Sign up. Create an account by providing your mobile number and verifying your identity. Fund your wallet. You can fund your Grabpay wallet through various methods like credit/debit cards, bank transfers, or even cash deposits at designated outlets. Using Grabpay for daily transactions. Ordering food. Open the GrabFood section in the app. Choose your desired restaurant and items. Select Grabpay as your payment method. Confirm your order and track its delivery. Booking a ride. Select the Grab ride service you need: GrabCar, GrabBike, etc. Set your pickup and drop-off locations. Choose Grabpay as your payment method. Confirm your booking and wait for your driver to arrive. Paying bills. Navigate to the Pay Bills section in the app. Select the bill you want to pay, e.g., utilities, mobile phone bills. Enter the required details and confirm the payment. Shopping online. Many online merchants accept Grabpay as a payment method. During checkout, select Grabpay as your preferred payment option. Enter your Grabpay PIN to complete the transaction. Additional tips and tricks. Grab rewards. Earn rewards points with every Grabpay transaction and redeem them for discounts and vouchers. Grabpay card. Get a physical Grabpay card to use at physical stores that don't accept mobile payments. Security. Always keep your Grabpay account secure by using a strong password and enabling two-factor authentication. Customer support. If you encounter any issues, reach out to Grab's customer support for assistance. Grabpay is a versatile and convenient digital payment solution that can simplify your daily life. By understanding its features and benefits, you can unlock a world of seamless transactions. With Grabpay, you can say goodbye to the hassle of cash and cards and embrace the future of digital payments. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.